You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
Oh, you picking up some sound?
So my name is Hally Cokenias, and I am a bat nerd. I study bats, I talk about bats, I talk some more about bats.
Here is the bat detector, and this thing is awesome. It's this little device that records the ultrasonic sounds that the bats are making.
Is it the louder it gets, the closer they are?
It's louder it gets, the closer they are. It's also the more there are.
What if it's just one?
If it's just one, you can still hear it. It's just not quite as intense.
But what if it gets closer? What if it's right on top of your head?
What if it's right on top of your head? Then I would be the happiest person in the world. They also make audible sounds. Sometimes you can hear them. A little song, because they sing, they chirp, they trill, they squeak.
That's Hally Cokenias leading a tour of the Phoenix Bat Cave. If you hear things that make Phoenix, or just want to tell us we're batty, send us a note. The show at kjzz.org.